Hello students, good morning to all. I am Rahul Sharma from Alipam Public School, Kola Gorakhpur. Today I am going to take lecture of 10th class, 10th physics. As you know, your light chapter is going on. In light chapter, reflection of light is completed. Now, refraction of light is going on. So, today I will discuss about the Lenz formula and the magnification power. First, Lenz formula. What is Lenz formula? This is the relation between focal length, object distance and image distance. And according to Lenz formula, the reciprocal of focal length is given as 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. It means the reciprocal of focal length is given by the subtraction of reciprocal of distance of image from distance of object from distance of image. Okay, I am repeating again. The reciprocal of focal length is equal to the subtraction of reciprocal of distance object subtracted from reciprocal of distance of image. Okay, as you know, u equal to distance of object, or you can say object distance. Object distance. V is image distance and F equal to focal length. I hope you understood. U is object distance, V is image distance and F is focal length. According to 10th syllabus, we have to study and learn this formula directly. We can write this formula, but according to 10th syllabus, the formula will come directly, and this formula is used to solve numericals. Okay? So I hope you understood about the Lenz formula. Now, magnification power. The magnification power of a lens denoted by M. So M equal to the ratio of height of image to the height of object. It means M equal to H dash upon H. This is the formula for magnification. And this M is also equal to V upon U. It means M is also equal to the ratio of this image distance to the object distance. Okay, I hope you understood. V is distance object, V is image distance, and U is object distance. And H dash height of image and h is height of object. Okay, I hope you understood about the lens formula and magnification power of lens. Now I am going to solve a numerical. You can see on board. A convex lens of focal length 10 cm is placed at a distance of 12 cm from a ball. How far from the lens should the object be placed so as to form its real image on ball? It means the ball behave as an screen. So focal length, answer of the given question, focal length f equal to 10 cm. As you know, the focal length of a convex lens is positive. Positive focal length. Okay, and the distance of object is we have to find, and the distance of ball, and ball behave as a screen, so it means V equal to 12 cm. And the image, how far from the object is placed so as to form its real image. So as you know, real image is obtained at right hand side. It is right hand side, this is left hand side. You know, you can know this is front side and this is back side. So if image is obtained at back side or right hand side, then it will be real. If image is obtained in front of lens, then it is virtual. And the distance measured towards left is positive, and image is measured towards left is negative. Okay, the distance measured towards right is positive, and the distance measured towards left is negative. Okay, so V is also positive. So we have to find what is the value of V. So 1 upon f equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. So by putting the value, focal length, what is the value of focal length? 10 cm. V 12 cm. And U, I have to find what is the value of U. So the value of U, 1 upon U equal to 1 upon 12 minus 1 upon 10. So 1 upon U equal to, the LCM is 120. When 120 is divided by 12, then 10, and when 120 divided by 10, this is 12. So equal to minus 2 upon 120. So 1 upon U equal to minus 1 upon 60. So U equal to minus 60 centimeter. Image is real, as you know, or I also can find the value of M. It means magnification power by using the value of V and U. M equal to, as you know, M equal to V upon U, and value of V. What is the value of V? 12, and U is 60, minus 60. So M equal to minus 1 upon 5. So M equal to minus 0.5. So magnification power is minus 0.5. So as you know, the meaning of minus, image is inverted, and 0.5 mean image is smaller than object. Okay, and you can say half to the size of object. So I hope you understood about how to solve the numerical formula based on length formula and magnification power. So you have to try to solve numericals based on length formula. Thank you very much.